Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be sharing with you how to make oatmeal fufu, obviously using oatmeal. So this is the oatmeal I'll be using for my oatmeal fufu. Let's get started. So I'll be adding some amount of oatmeal into a food processor or a blender, depends on which one you want to use, and I'll be blending it to a smooth paste. Meanwhile, I already put a pot with water on fire. This is like 2 glass cup of water. It depends on the quantity of oatmeal you're making. Next, I will add in a bit of oil. This is optional, you don't have to add it. So here is my oatmeal blended to a smooth paste. So my water has heated up a bit. I'll just get my turn stick and start adding my blended oatmeal bit by bit and continue to stir and stir so it doesn't form seeds. It's just similar to the way you make semovita. Add your blended oatmeal till you get to the consistency you want. Some people like very soft oatmeal fufu, while some people like it a bit hard. As for me, I like it in the medium way, that is in between. Stir and stir until you get the consistency you want. So the next, I'm going to add in a bit of water and cover for like 2 minutes to boil together. So this is after 2 minutes. I'm just going to stir everything now. Our oatmeal is ready. This was actually a requested video by one of my subscribers. Oatmeal fufu is healthy and you can use it for any kind of soup you like. Ogbono soup, okra soup, egusi soup, just name it. So as you can see guys, oatmeal fufu is very easy to make. There are other methods you can use too. So we've actually come to the end of this video guys. I do hope you find it helpful. Please, if you do, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in my next video. Thank you. Bye.